We have already discussed about 7 countries from Asia, Europe, Africa and Americas so far in Know the Country series. Now let's continue our discussion on the next country in this series from Western Asia. But before that, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon if you haven't done already, so that you won't miss more interesting videos in the future. Also, do not miss the fact of the day at the end of this video. Without any further delay, let's start today's episode. Hello aspiring Sarvagnanis, welcome to my channel. This video explains about the basic details about the 8th country in this series, Armenia. Armenia is officially known as the Republic of Armenia. It is a landlocked country and is located in the south of the great mountain range of the Caucasus in Eurasia. The boundaries are Turkey to the west, Georgia to the north, Azerbaijan to the east, and Iran and Azerbaijan's exclave of Nakhchivan to the south. The climate in Armenia is highland continental. Summers are hot, dry and sunny, lasting from June to mid-September. The temperature fluctuates between 22 and 36 degrees centigrade. Winters are quite cold with plenty of snow, with temperatures ranging between -10 and -5 degrees centigrade. Armenia is subdivided into 11 administrative divisions. Of these, 10 are provinces known as Marzar or Mars in Armenian. Yerevan is treated separately and granted special administrative status as the country's capital. It is a small country covering an area of 29,743 square kilometers. For comparison, it is just slightly smaller than Belgium or slightly smaller than the US state of Maryland. As of today, the current population is estimated to be just about 2.96 million. It is equivalent to 0.04% of the total world population. The population density is 104 people per square kilometer. 62.8% of the population is urban. The male to female ratio is approximately 0.88. Armenia is one among the top 15 countries where the women outnumber the men. Armenia is one of the few countries that has more than one Independence Day. Between the 4th and 19th centuries, the traditional area of Armenia was conquered and ruled by Persians, Byzantines, Arabs, Mongols, and Turks. Parts of historical Armenia gained independence from the Ottoman Empire and the Russian Empire after the collapse of these two empires in the wake of the First World War. The Armenian National Council declared the independence of Armenia on 20th May 1918 from the Ottoman Empire and called it as the First Republic of Armenia. But this independence lasted only for 2 years, during which time it was involved in several armed conflicts caused by territorial disputes. By late 1920, the nation was conquered by the Soviet Red Army. The First Republic, along with the Republic of Mountainous Armenia, which repelled the Soviet invasion until July 1921, finally became part of the Soviet Union in 1922. After many decades of the Soviet Union's rule, finally on September 21, 1991, the people of Armenia voted in a referendum to proclaim independence from the Soviet Union. This is the second independence of Armenia. Levent Ter-Petrosyan was elected the first president of Armenia in November 1991. On December 21, 1991, Armenia joined the Commonwealth of Independent States, CIS. In 2015, Armenia transformed from a semi-presidential to a parliamentary republic system. Legislative authority is vested in a 105-member National Assembly. Members are elected to 5-year terms. The legislature has the authority to approve the budget, ratify treaties, and declare war. The head of state is the president, elected by the National Assembly and limited to 1 7-year term. But the main power lies with the Prime Minister, who is the head of government and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, and is elected by a parliamentary majority and subsequently appointed by the President. As of 2018, the adult literacy rate in Armenia is estimated to be around 99%. As of 2018, the average life expectancy at birth is estimated to be around 74.8 years. Armenia is the first country to adopt Christianity as a state religion. Today, more than 99% of their population practice Christianity. Armenian is the official language and is spoken as a first language by the majority of its population. Other languages spoken by a minority of their population include Russian, Kurmanji, Assyrian, Ukrainian, and Greek. According to the World Bank, the gross domestic product in Armenia was approximately $13.67 billion in 2019, which represents 0.015% of the total world economy. The Armenian dram is the official currency of Armenia. As of today, 1 dram equals 0.0020 United States dollar. Agriculture and mining are the two major industries in Armenia. More than 50% of their country's GDP come from these two sectors. The main exports are copper, pig iron, non-ferrous metals, gold, diamonds, mineral products, foodstuff, brandy, and cigarettes mainly to Russia, Switzerland, Iran, Bulgaria, and Iraq. The main imports are natural gas, petroleum, tobacco products, and foodstuff from Russia, Iran, Georgia, and China. As of 2018, approximately 23.5% of the population in Armenia lies below the national poverty line. The national flag of Armenia consists of 3 horizontal bands of equal width, red on the top, blue in the middle, and orange on the bottom. The Armenian Supreme Soviet adopted the current flag on 24 August 1990. 15th June of every year is marked as the National Flag Day, as the law on the national flag of Armenia was passed on 15th June 2006. The national animal or the national bird of Armenia is eagle. The eagle was chosen as the national symbol of Armenia because of its power, courage, patience, wisdom, and nobility in the animal kingdom. Armenia observes Armenia time all year, which is 4 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time GMT plus 4. Armenia does not utilize daylight saving time. Yerevan is the capital and the largest city of Armenia and one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities, even 29 years older than Rome. It is the administrative, cultural, and industrial center of the country. It has been the capital since the First Republic of Armenia in 1918 and overall the 14th capital in the history of Armenia. Gyumri, Vanadzor, and Vagar-Shabat are the other major cities in this country. Must-see places in this country include Khor Virap Monastery, which is located in the historical site with stunning backdrop of Mount Ararat. Lake Sevan, which is the largest freshwater, high-altitude lake in Eurasia and famous for the beaches, monasteries, and churches along its shore. Noravank, which is a 13th century monastery surrounded by ruddy red cliff walls, and Gani George, which is famous for the temple of Gani and symmetrical unique basalt columns carved out of the Gok River and referred to as the Symphony of the Stones. Most popular food in Armenia include dolma, where the grape leaves are stuffed with rice and ground meat, lahmacun, which is known as Armenian pizza with thin crunchy dough base and topped with spicy minced meat, manti, which are traditional Turkish dumplings filled with spiced ground meat and onions, harissa, which is a porridge prepared with chicken, lamb, or beef along with wheat grits, and lula kebab, which are grilled lamb marinated with egg, paprika, tomato paste, mint leaves, black pepper, and onions. Armenia used to play as part of the USSR national football team at the international level until 1992. It continues to be the most popular sport even today. However, its most success at international level comes from its other popular sports that include chess, rugby, wrestling, weightlifting, and boxing. And this concludes our discussion on Armenia, which is the 8th country in this series. How did you guys like it? If you guys learned something new, please hit a like and share it with your friends and family. Do you want me to add any more details about a country in my next videos? Let me know in the comments below and also share any of your experiences with this country that you may have. And now the fact of the day. According to the Guinness World Records, the longest non-stop double-track cable car is the Wings of Tatev aerial tramway in Armenia, which clocks in at 5,752 meters long. The spectacular cable car connects the village of Halizor with the Tatev Monastery, offering spectacular views across the Vorotan George River throughout the 12-minute ride.